In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in Adobe XD. An anchor link lets your prototype smoothly scroll to a specific spot on the same artboard, which is perfect for back-to-top buttons, table of contents links, or jumping to sections in a long page. We'll set this up quickly and make it feel polished. First, switch to prototype mode. Click the Prototype tab in XD so you can link interactions. This view exposes the wiring tools and the interaction panel. Make sure you're on the artboard that actually contains the content you want to scroll through. Next, select the object that will act as the link. This can be a button, a text label, or any shape. Choose something that visually communicates where it will take the user, like Learn More or Jump to Pricing, so the interaction feels intuitive. Now, draw the prototyping wire. With your trigger object selected, you'll see a little blue handle. Drag that blue wire down to the destination area on the same artboard where you want the scroll to land. Anchor links only work within a single artboard, so be sure you're connecting within the same one. Set the interaction in the Property Inspector. For trigger, choose Tap. This works for touch and for click in desktop previews. For action, select Scroll To. Under Destination, pick the layer or object that marks exactly where you want the scroll to stop. Naming your layers and groups clearly makes this easier. Then adjust the Y offset to fine-tune the landing position. Positive values push the final position a bit below the target. Negative values land a bit above it. This is especially useful if you have a header overlapping the content and need a little breathing room. Choose an easing, such as Ease Out, for a natural deceleration, and set a duration for the scroll. Short interactions around half a second feel snappy. Longer durations up to 5 seconds are possible, but can feel sluggish, so use them sparingly. Time to preview the anchor link. Click the Play or Preview button in XD to open the interactive window. Then tap or click the trigger you set. The artboard should smoothly scroll to your destination. If it doesn't, double-check that the wire connects on the same artboard, that the action is set to Scroll To, and that your artboard is scrollable with enough content below the fold. That's it. You've created a clean, smooth anchor link in Adobe XD. Tweak the Y offset, easing, and duration until the motion feels just right for your design.